Hi, I'm Lucia. Welcome back to Creative You with Lou. If you are tuning in for the second time, thank you so much. I am just really happy that you're here. Today is about stimulating our senses. You know, our senses are these magical powers, essentially, and we experience the world through them. But how often do we really hone in on each of them, you know? And even more, how often do we hone in on coupling the senses and seeing the amazing combinations that a pairing of senses can make? So today, we are focusing on sight and smell. And that's all I'm going to share in this moment. All right, so you're going to do a scavenger hunt in your home. And the first thing you are going to look for is a plate. A plate. Pick a plate that you like though, you know? Any plate, a plate that you really like. Here's the plate. You've got a plate, you've got a plate, you've got a plate. A plate. Remember, sight and smell. What smells and what do you see? It could be really anything, but it's about what entices you with sight and smell. So first thing I go to right away, right, is a candle. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's called Fern and Moss. It smells like something delicious. And when you light it, it's gonna be this beautiful sight and beautiful smell. So there you have your first item for your plate. We're gonna keep building. Ooh. So I just happen to have behind my cello a cinnamon broom. Cinnamon broom, you wanna see? Cinnamon broom. And it's quite scratchy, but it smells deliciously of cinnamon. Wow. Makes you just want to eat a cinnamon bun right in this moment. A little scratchy, a little dusty, but cinnamon broom. So I'm gonna do a little snip of the cinnamon broom and I'm gonna put it, look at that, perfect, in this little cup. This offers a really beautiful spectrum of process to product. You could stay in the realm of process and just go around your home space smelling and looking, you know. You could finish up there. You could meet somewhere in the middle and put together one combination and just enjoy it. Or you can get yourself to this kind of end of the spectrum where it's a little bit more of a product. It's something you can have to look at. And then what you do with it is up to you. You know, this could be a beautiful creative ritual to end your night with. You close the night instead of doing the scroll, which is what I do. Put the phone away and collect your sights and your smells. Make yourself a little platter, a little sensory grounding. Take it with you, put it next to your bed, enjoy that before you go to sleep. That's an option. You could start the day with collecting, right? Start the day not opening the email like I do, and instead bring it to the senses. What do you want to make? What do you want to create? And then have this next to your, like, you know, morning beverage. You know, you can do anything. You can really do anything with your display of delight, platter of play, saucer of the senses. So it started off with, let's find something to stimulate smell and stimulate sight and engage the two and see what kind of cool combinations can we do bringing the two together. So a little cinnamon broom, a little orange, a candle. The possibilities are endless though, and I really do hope that you give this a try at home. It took me it was a little challenging for me for sure to think about combinations because again, I'm not really thinking about my senses. I'm just living and breathing, but it was really nice to bring attention to that, just that, and think about, hold on, these two things can really delight me in their combination. And you can make a display of delight or a platter of play or a saucer of the senses out of these combinations that you come up with. And so yeah, like I said, I really hope you try it because I'm so curious to see what the combinations are and the kinds of things that we can make and create, just focusing on our senses and pairing the two senses together. You could pair other senses together. Let me know. Put it in the comments. You know, let me know what's your favorite sight and smell combination, object or moment of life, whatever it is. You know, give me a shout out, send me a picture. I really hope you enjoyed Creative You with Lou, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
If you like, give us a like. If you won't, give a subscribe. If you like the video, please give us a like. If you want to come back, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed Creative You with Lou, and I'll see you next time. Bye!